Hey everyone, it's Carla from the Medicine Hat Public Library. I'm here today to create a mood board with you. A mood board is a visual presentation that conveys a general idea or feeling or a topic, or can be completely random. It consists of images and text, so you can use old magazines and newspapers, you can use pictures that you have, stickers. I printed off a few images from the internet. I have some washi tape, you can use markers, whatever you have, you can use it. Of course, you'll need some scissors and glue to create your mood board, and it is pretty much just one big collage that conveys one feeling or one idea. Let's get started. There you have it, your very own mood board. If you make your own, be sure to tag us in your pictures at MHPublicLibrary, and if you want to find more fun videos, check out our YouTube page at MHPublicLibrary. Thanks, bye!